get it down to 3.5 minutes, and really I'm trying to get down to maybe even 2.5 minutes. So we'll have to work through that. Welcome everyone. We all love to travel, and taking a journey is a big part of our life experience. Why is that? Well, as the Danish writer Peter Hope wrote, traveling tends to magnify all human emotions. Embarking on a journey creates hope and excitement of what's to come, anticipation, thrill. Now, if travel is so important, then how we carry our items during travel must be as well. Every great journey starts with luggage and ends with luggage. We have touched almost every part of travel over a 50-year period except for one, luggage. Luggage is the last great unexplored frontier in the travel experience. The last innovation was in 1972 with the addition of the wheel. Folks, we put a man on the moon before we ever put wheels on the bottom of our luggage. Now, we've all gone through airport security, right? You've got to print out your ticket, stop by the counter, then you pay a little fine because it's overweight. Then you head over to screening, herded like cattle through the maze, everybody's had that. Belt, shoes, buttons, you name it, it all comes off. Then your tightly packed and meticulously organized luggage is then unpacked, thrown into disarray and chaos. A random stranger rummages through your personal items, searching for one or two things to snag and remove, and like that, you'll never see them again. Now at this point, your stress level's high, anxiety kicks in a bit, frustration has certainly taken a hold. While you have 30 seconds, get dressed, repack your luggage, throw your shoes on, and sprint to the gate. Oh, where did I put that ticket again? We've all had this experience, right? Hi, my name is Rob Buchanan, and I'm the founder of ADHERE, and we are the world's first smart luggage rental network. Our smart luggage is positioned to be the most technologically advanced luggage ever built. What makes the luggage unique is our ability to check in and clear you through TSA security from the comfort of your home. No more stress, no more anxiety, no more frustration. Those emotional experiences are of the past. Now, as of 2019, airlines pay $2.5 billion annually for lost luggage. Did you know airport TSA collects and confiscates over 50 million items in the same year? And to top that off, the annual TSA security test resulted in an 80% failure rate. That means 8 out of every 10 banned items pass through security effortlessly, daily. Our smart luggage not only benefits the travel experience from the vantage point of the passenger, but allows the airlines and airports significant improvement in operations. Imagine never having your checked luggage lost and your carry-on capable of letting you know where your gate is, when your flight leaves, and what food choices are around you. So why smart luggage now? Why not before? One reason and one reason alone. 5G. 5G will allow smart luggage to solve the hard problems deeply rooted in the current travel experience, allowing that working mother and father with a toddler a stress-free trip, or the office worker positioned for a strong start to a business venture. So how would this all work? Well, you'd simply book it from your phone, pick it up at your office, and enjoy your trip. And when you're done, return to your office, your place of employment, and drop it off. It's that simple. As stated before, traveling tends to magnify all human emotions. So what if we magnify the right emotions to start every journey with a great experience?